Hello, guys, welcome to another episode. Today, we are going to take a look in this beautiful Ixa Models Bentley car. As you can see, it's the Bentley, the winner of Le Mans 1924. I bought it a while ago, but I still haven't opened it. So, we are going to do this now together. As you can see, it comes with a very nice display. It has the logo of the brand over here. The box is simple. Here is all the details about the model. This piece of paper goes here. It's a background. So yeah, that's all regarding the packaging. And here is the model. It is a very nice green color. It has very nice details. The wheels are actually, the tire is actually rubber tire. Very nice detail. It's not plastic. It looks like it's a plastic piece, but it's not. It has a strap on the hood. Very nice, very shiny, nicely painted and polished. Here's the exhaust pipe. The strokes on the wheel are nicely done. Underneath, it's all painted in the same color as you can see. It has like an underbody protection. Of course, it has no opening parts, and I'm guessing that the roof is fixed. Yes, probably it's fixed. And here's a closer look for the interior. The steering wheel is painted brown, so it represents the wooden steering wheel. Let me see if I can get a better image of the dashboard. As you can see, it has many gadgets and buttons, nicely detailed. It has a number 8 on it. Very nicely done. It has a lot of details. Here is the number of the model. The bottom of the display is plastic, of course. Here's the details about the model. I'm guessing the names here is the driver's name and the passenger and the co-pilot, the pilot and the co-pilot of this car back in the days. So yes, overall it is a beautiful model car, nice addition to my collection because I'm now starting to collect Le Mans cars. I have also a few that needs assembly, like the Alfa Romeo and the Mercedes Benz. So I'm pretty excited that I got these two. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm very excited that I have a Bentley model in that scale and a historical one. So I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.